There is something deeply grounding about woodworking. The scent of sawdust, the texture of grain beneath your fingers, and the quiet satisfaction that comes from creating something tangible. For many, the idea of getting into woodworking can feel intimidating, often conjuring images of complex machines, expensive setups, and a garage filled with specialized tools. But the true richness of woodworking doesn't lie in how elaborate your shop is. It lies in the creativity, patience, and passion you bring to the process. In truth, woodworking with minimal tools and a budget-conscious mindset is not only possible, it is a deeply rewarding experience that brings joy, practicality, and even income potential to beginners willing to embrace the simplicity. You've just discovered Decor Ideas, where every frame brings a new spark. Whether you're decorating a space or building something, we've got endless inspiration for you. Watch beautifully crafted videos that focus on design, form, and function. This is your go-to channel for woodworking, home decor, and simple projects that elevate any room. Let's turn materials into masterpieces. Subscribe now and let creativity shape your world. Today we will show you a collection of woodworking project ideas with minimal tools and budget-friendly projects for beginners. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. In a world that often glorifies excess and speed, there is power in choosing simplicity. Woodworking, in its essence, is about working with your hands, understanding the material, and solving real problems through thoughtful design. For beginners, the journey does not have to start with expensive machinery. A few basic hand tools like a handsaw, hammer, chisel, measuring tape, and perhaps a cordless drill can take you further than you might imagine. These minimal tools invite you to slow down, pay attention, and build a genuine relationship with the craft. They force you to be intentional, to measure twice, and to cut once. And in that space of mindfulness, you begin to uncover the true magic of woodworking. For beginners, each project becomes a milestone. The first time you align two pieces of wood perfectly, or the moment you realize that a hand-sanded surface is smoother than you expected, it's a quiet triumph. These experiences reinforce the idea that woodworking is not reserved for professionals with massive workshops. It belongs to anyone with curiosity and the willingness to try. Minimal tools mean you get to focus on your skills rather than your setup. They strip away distractions and highlight the core values of the craft: precision, patience, and purpose. The affordability of simple woodworking also opens the door to a creative outlet that is accessible and sustainable. Many new woodworkers find immense satisfaction in building furniture and decor pieces that add beauty and function to their homes. A handmade shoe rack or a coffee table made from salvaged wood not only saves money but carries a unique, personal charm that store-bought items lack. These projects become expressions of your style, your growth, and your intention. There's pride in being able to say, "I made that." Moreover, this humble beginning can be the seed of something much larger. Many successful woodworking businesses and YouTube creators started with basic tools and a desire to learn. Budget-friendly projects have the advantage of being replicable, scalable, and marketable. Simple items like phone stands, jewelry holders, key racks, and picture frames have strong appeal in online marketplaces where customers value handmade, sustainable products. The low cost of materials combined with the uniqueness of handcrafted design means higher profit margins and more opportunity for side income, or even a full-time business for those who pursue it seriously. Another element that makes minimal tool woodworking so enriching is the community it fosters. Online forums, local makerspaces, and social media groups are full of people sharing their projects, techniques, and encouragement. New woodworkers often find themselves part of a larger movement, one that values creativity over perfection, progress over polish. This supportive atmosphere turns woodworking into more than a hobby. It becomes a lifestyle grounded in intention, learning, and shared growth. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's content? We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you'll be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. There's also a powerful emotional benefit to be found here. In an increasingly digital world, the act of physically creating something can feel like reclaiming a part of yourself. When you work with your hands, you're not just building a table, you're building resilience, focus, and confidence. Every time you shape a piece of wood, you're shaping your own patience and problem-solving skills. And when you make something functional, something that solves a real need, you create value. Not just in the object, but in yourself. The minimalist approach to woodworking also aligns beautifully with the modern trends of sustainability and mindful living. Using reclaimed or locally sourced wood, avoiding waste, and choosing hand tools over energy-hungry machines aligns woodworking with eco-conscious values. This not only makes your craft more affordable, but also more ethical, something that resonates deeply with today's consumers and community-minded individuals. As you grow, your toolkit may naturally expand. You might add a router, a sander, or a miter saw. But the foundation you build by starting small, with limited tools and tight budgets, will serve you for a lifetime. You'll understand the importance of each step in the process. You'll appreciate the value of clean lines and snug joints. You'll know how to improvise, how to solve problems, and how to bring character into every project. What makes this path particularly special is that it allows woodworking to remain deeply personal. When you're not racing against automation or outsourcing creativity to high-tech tools, you stay connected to the work. You feel the resistance of the wood, you hear the satisfying knock of a chisel, and you witness transformation firsthand. These are not just experiences. They are moments of fulfillment that leave a lasting imprint. Ultimately, woodworking with minimal tools is not about limitation. It's about liberation. It frees you from the false belief that creativity requires wealth, that skill demands perfection, or that success comes only from having the best equipment. It invites you into a world where simple projects carry deep meaning, where your efforts yield both beauty and utility, and where your workshop, no matter how humble, becomes a place of innovation and expression. In every cut, in every joint, and in every grain of wood lies the potential for something greater. And with your hands, your vision, and just a few simple tools, you hold the power to create it. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked woodworking project ideas with minimal tools and budget-friendly projects for beginners. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.